What's up, guys? Hello, stop na. Guys. Ay. Stop na, guys. Okay na ako. Thank you, guys. Sa latest video. Sa loop video. 827 views. And like 8 likes. Thank you. Answerin nyo yung next, yung before ng ng loop video. Answerin nyo na, please. Yung may question dun. Basta. Thank you, guys. Announcement. Di na ako mag-YouTube ng mga 3 days or something kasi I'm tired, okay? I am sick. Thank you, guys. Is this a glitch, YouTube? When I go, diba, my first popular video is the I hide my name, and the second video is the loop video. Why it's not showing up? Is it just deleted or not? Is it a glitch or something? It's more than 500 basta. And it's not showing up. Is this a glitch? Or I will just update my YouTube? Yes or no? Answer here below. This. Because I was not updating my YouTube before. Again, guys, thank you. I have a gift for you guys. Later. Did you guys see my post or something? Basta. Check on my post. Bye, guys.